In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a message to your customer and footer text on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're customizing invoices for branding or simply want to add a personal touch, I'll guide you step by step so your invoices really stand out. First, log into your QuickBooks account. Start by clicking on the Sign In button. Once the login page opens, select QuickBooks Online from the options available. Then enter your username and password and hit Continue to access your account. Once you're in, we'll head over to the settings area. This is where all the magic happens. You can find it in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on settings and you'll see a range of options to customize your business experience. Next, look for custom form styles. This section allows you to modify your invoices and add personalized messages. Click on it and you'll see a list of your invoice templates. To make changes to your standard invoice, select the default form. If you've ever adjusted the appearance of your invoices before, this will look familiar. This is where you manage all your invoice templates and make sure your documentation aligns with your business's style. Now, let's move into customization. On this page, locate the area labeled Messages. Here, you can modify the text that appears for your customer and footer. On the left side, click the Content tab. This opens up several options for what you can include on your invoice. Scroll down to the footer section. This is where you can add a message that appears at the bottom of every invoice. You can include a signature, a quote, a thank you note, or even your company tagline. Simply type in whatever you want and it will automatically show on all future invoices. Once you've added your message, make sure to save your changes by clicking Done. That's it. Your personalized messages are now set and will appear on every invoice you create from this point forward. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference in showing attention to detail and giving your invoices a professional, personal touch. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added custom messages for your customers in QuickBooks Online. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Happy invoicing.